January the 4th, 2021, the first trading day of the new year. The market is kind of iffy. It's green overall, but it's not many stocks to trade. I'm not really seeing anything worth buying right now. Rephrase that. I traded BNGO this morning and something else. Remember what it was right now in the pre-market in one of my larger accounts. But day trading wise, in my small account, nothing yet. Here's a watch list right here, as you see in the group. It's a couple of them that I thought about buying, but kind of backed off it since. One was HOTH. That's what I traded as well. My bad. I traded also my larger account. HOTH, HOFV, which is reversing right now, looks like. Cheaper stock, CHEK, and it's twice. Now, first of all, do not follow what I do. I'm just a guy on the internet. This is showing you how I trade. If you follow what I do, the risk is at your own will. I didn't say that right. At your own will. If you lose money, it ain't my fault. If you make money, it ain't my fault. It's you doing your own trades because you're a grown person with your own money. I'm just showing you how I trade. There's a guy on the internet who like trading stocks. So here we are. Market opens in 4 seconds. Let's watch for a minute. I want to buy in that first green candle to make a new high if I buy in. But right now it's not doing what I want to do. CHEK. I missed the move on that one right there. I was looking at it earlier, but I missed it. It happens sometimes. I don't like buying real cheap stocks, but this is one I was looking at. It had news this morning as well. If you look over here, you'll see. Wait, I lied to you. No news. That's why I didn't buy it. There's no news. So I'm not going to buy that right now. Unless it just goes parabolic. Other than that, I'm going to look at it and let it run. Yeah. I don't see much I like right now. Look at these stocks over here on the left. See these volume bars right here? How these stocks up? Reverse split. Never mind. Reverse split. Reverse split. Turn. What was turn? Reverse split. A bunch of reverse splits. NCTY is a previous runner. I might buy that in my large account on this move right here. If it pops at 621, it'd be a nice little area to buy in. So what I'm going to do is go over here and say, looking for 621-ish. I'm going to put an ish next to it. NCTY. And there's the move right there about to occur. Look at check. Check still going. All that movement with no news. I could have bought in back here, obviously. But for what, 3 or 4 cents? It's not worth it. The risk to reward is way too high. Man. HOFV. 2 million shares, 53 million share float. Man, you can't be inboxing me doing videos. Let me tell you, hold on a second, y'all. I'm getting an inbox. Let me get rid of this. And get rid of that. Go to my charts. Why you respond, man? No response needed. No response needed. God dang it, man. I'm missing money messing around. Please stop inboxing me during my video time. Look at this. I'm busy on my daggone cell phone. That was the move I'm looking for. I missed it. It's okay. I'm still not buying it right now. A 46 million share float with no news. It's running like that. Something's up with that. OCGN is pulling back horribly with news this morning. COVID news at 8:30 a.m., which was right about here. Yet it pulled back. It's weird, right? What's up here going? HOFV. This is the one I really want to buy because look, it's down. The next wall for HOFV is right about here at 170. We 155 right now. If I bought 200 shares, right, 15 cents would be 35 bucks. Look at check. It ran up and pulled back. That's why I'm buying them kind of stocks. But that was a good move. A BTBT is still moving. Let me see something. Trying to find the stock. Hold on. We're gonna watch it over here. I can't have two checks, so it's gonna be OCGN. Nothing worth buying. I'm not buying a sub $1 stock. It's not gonna happen. What's this right here? WFC. Get rid of check. I'm not buying that. WFC. $30 already. Wells Fargo. There we go. I think I found something. HOTH. Let's see. Create a new high. That's the buy. If you was just buying in, that's the buy-in point. Creates a new high. It's cheap stock. All right. HOTH. It's not doing much of nothing right now. Let me go into my large account and see what's going on. Again, no trades made yet in my small account, so I'm closing out a couple of trades I got in my larger account. ANTE. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get rid of these trades in my larger account. I don't want to lose money. The process is not to lose, it's to make money. All right, so I have, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades so far in my large account, and they're all in the same account. I'm going to post it right quick in the group, but I haven't traded anything yet in my small account. Now, not saying I ain't trying to trade my small account. I just don't see anything right now worth buying. Therefore, I'm not buying anything yet. Again, if something you don't like, a pattern you don't like, don't trade it. You know, don't force a trade just to make some money. If how you like the setup don't look the way you like it, don't buy that stock. It's that simple. Otherwise, you're gonna buy something just because it's gonna cost you some money. Look over here at CHEK. Remember I said earlier, I don't buy cheap stocks. Look what it did. It ran up on one 5-minute candle, and then it's dumped on you. This is why I don't buy cheap stocks. Look at this. There's no limit to how far it dropped. All that move it made with zero news. How does a stock run that much with no news? Not only that, a sub $1 stock. Look back here the last 180 days 4-hour chart. It ran up a few days ago on the 24th, which is Christmas Eve. 24th. Here we are. No news. Ran up, right? Pull back. Today, ran up. Wait, I see something here. A 6K was granted 180 extension until March. So they have 6 months to become NASDAQ compliant. So if you know by now, a stock must remain above $1 in order to be NASDAQ compliant. Or is it $5? Oh, yeah, $1 to be NASDAQ compliant. This thing ain't been up $1 in a long time. Let's go back for a year. Yeah, it's been quite a while. And all of a sudden this morning, look at this gap. From here to here, it has jumped, right? With no news. News was last week. And that's NASDAQ compliance news. It ran up this morning and it pulled back, and here we are now way down there. If you bought it, you'd be hurting right now for some money because you chased it, not the move. So I'm going to go ahead and create a watch list because nothing so far I like trading in my small account. Remember, my small account, I buy between 100 to 500 shares. Sorry, to 400 shares. Sometimes I buy 1,000. I may end up increasing that this year, going to a higher volume or quantity of shares bought. ICL. Look at Hertz. Well, it ain't 1% yet. Never mind. Hertz is bankrupt up here. HTZGQ. Yeah, it's trash. IBIO. I don't like nothing right now. ANTE. HOFV. SMTX. Now with my large account, I can buy way more shares, and then the 5-cent move or a 10-cent move is a lot more money than it would be in a small account. If I only bought 100 shares of this stock, for example, it went up 3 cents. That's only $3, right? It's not worth even buying that. So that's why I buy larger quantities in the larger account, because even a small move will make me a couple dollars. Now, in a small account, you want a bigger move, right? 10 cent, 15 cent, 20 cent, whatever it may be. That way you get your money worth. If I'm only putting 400 bucks into a stock, I'm getting back $4. Yeah, it's 10%, but it's $4. You know, it's not worth even. Sorry, phrase that. 1%. Get back $4. 10% is 40 bucks. Then it's worth it. But if I'm getting 1% back, that's only $4. It's not worth trading it, right? So clear as mud, right? All right, OCGN. Here go the recovery trying to occur. Makes a new high as the buy-in target. So I'm gonna go over here and say, get rid of that. First candle to make a new high. OCGN. Wait, I'm not buying that. I just saw the freaking share flow. I don't like it. Look at the share flow. 162 million share flow. It's a good buy-in for a couple cents, but that share flow, I don't like it. Do we have news? Got some news right there. But look, news is back here. It pulled back on news. Yeah, I don't like that. That float's too high. Nothing real low. The only ones that have low floats are these two up here. ISIG, ACOR, which are both reverse splits. CHX must have been an IPO today, I guess. And we have TURN, TURN, trading 7 million shares. It's another reverse split. Now you could have bought in OCGN. I said before, when first kind of making new high, I took it off though. Oh man, get you 10 or 15 cents. Yeah, that's 10% of the price. Well, phrase that 5% of the price, but it wasn't worth it to me. My large account though, I made 3 trades. They're right here at the bottom. If it'll load. Right here at the bottom, I made some trades in my larger account. Here we are. I'll screen in. ACOR, ANTE, bingo, check, HOTH, ISRG. At 9:36 a.m., I was already done making those trades. I started trading about 9 o'clock this morning. Maybe a little sooner than that, maybe 8:45. I don't remember the exact time. But the same stock I traded this morning are all right here. So they're up there. All right, so yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't see nothing. What's this about? This thing is sleep. You know, I drew this line earlier. And over here, I traded it earlier as well. I traded it back here somewhere. I think I traded it back here like 7:30 this morning. Maybe it's 8:30. I remember the time it was. So I said, you know what? Traded it back here. It was 8:30. So around here somewhere, traded the stock in my large account. I sold it at market opening a little after that. which is right about here, 936, right about here. So I had a couple 20, 30 cents off it. Let's see. Nothing worth trading. It's a slow day. I might just log off this video in a minute and call it a day because nothing is moving. So what I'm gonna say is I don't like I am waiting for a trade in my small account. I will not trade any other stock in my larger account. All right. Yeah, I don't like none of this stuff. Here we go. What we doing here? 53 million share float. I don't know. Not forcing the trade. Let me go over here for a minute. OCGN and yeah. You want volume on these stocks, you know. You don't want to trade with no volume. With no volume, you'll be stuck holding the bag. You won't be able to get out in and out of a stock pretty quickly. If it's moving too slow, you're holding the bag. No one wants to hold the bag. I know I don't. Don't be a bag holder. Don't be that guy who's holding the bag. Now again, I am in no way at all telling you what to do with your hard-earned money. All I'm doing is telling you how I trade and showing you how I trade. If you like it, you do. You don't, you don't. This is the way I do things, you know. I'm here to help who need help, and then maybe in turn, you can help me. I don't know everything, you know. I know a lot, but not everything. So please, I welcome anyone to trade information. I'm all for it. But please do not come with no foolery. And be honest, you know. If you know what you're doing, you know what you're doing. You don't, you don't. You know, I'm not trading no fake money. I'm trading real dollars, not fake money. I'm not in the simulator, and I'm not trying to act like I'm better than anybody else. I'm just a guy like everybody in the group or gal, just trying to make some money. That's it. What you eat don't make me, you know the saying. However, let's at least eat it together at the same table. You know, I like steak. I like seafood. I like pig's feet. All right, let's see. I don't like pig feet. I'm just making a joke. This is terrible. This is a terrible day. HOTH trading 4 million shares on the 53 million share float. It ran this morning 8 o'clock. Ran up 1 5-minute candle and it's dumped, and then the whole day doing nothing since that point. It's going way too slow. And it was news this morning, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock news, ran up, retraced a little bit, up some more, and then since that point forward, consolidated and dropped. Yeah, it's one of them days, y'all. It's one of them days. The line still stands, but it's moving way too slow. Let me go into the group right quick. I'm gonna say HOTH is slow and steady, but needs more volume and price action, which is the same thing pretty much. With volume comes price action. So it can be the same thing you can say, or it can be two in the same. Or it can be something, oh man, I missed that. See, always missing something. That's what happens when you're doing other stuff. Well, I just pick random numbers to buy. I don't really have a set number of stocks I buy. Just random numbers. 5-day, 15-minute chart. That's the move right there. That's the first candle to make a new high. Let me buy in right there. See what it did? I missed it. The first candle making new high on the 15-minute chart was right there. It consolidated the whole time. It made a new high right here. Then it rephrased that. Then it completed another candle new high. Right? So it's stair stepping right now. We should have a B, then a C. Right? Let's go to the 5-minute chart and take a look. Let's see. We pop this 170. We got room. Oh, let me go backwards. Not 170. $1.70. Now, I put in the group before I bought it, right? I bought it after it was in the group. I drew this line maybe 30 minutes ago. We need to break this 170. 170, make a new high of day. Let's see. 170 is right there. We got sellers piling up in there. Where the bidders at? We need to buy, not sell. Let's run it up to 170. See what happens right here. Let's watch. Take what the market gives you, right? If I see hit 170 and it fade, I'm out. If it pops 170, I'm gonna hold on for a new high of day. Let's see what happens right here. It's gotta be a green candle though. It need to be green. Gotta be green. I'm gonna give it a couple seconds. Keep an eye on that volume bar. Keep an eye on that RSI. I'm gonna hover over right here. See what happens. Let's go. We need green. We need green. 170 is so close, right? There we go. 169. 169. Blow through 170. 169. 170. Ah, I tapped it. We got to blow through that 170. Let's go. Blow through 170. Where the buyers at? Here comes some buyers. They go 170. Let's do it. It's tapping it. It's tapping it. It's tapping it. It's tapping it. I'm not playing with that stock this morning. I don't like what it's doing. It may blow through it. It may not. But it keep tapping and tapping. Look at the sellers over here. See the level 2? They piled up. 40,000 shares being sold. Look at that dump. They piled up. Take what the market gives you and keep an eye on level 2, right? Look at that. 170 hit it 3 times. Bang, 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 right? And now it's dumping. Look over here. I said if it pops 170, then we got room for a new high of day, right? So that was 1 minute ago. Made my trade for about I bought 120 shares, right? 140 shares. And I bought it 160. Oh yeah, I bought it right here somewhere. Hold on, y'all. Trying to find something right quick. That's terrible. Look how it's dumping. See, to be careful with that. For about 5%. I don't like what the market's doing. So I will call it a day and post a video. By the way, that 170 tapped 4 times on Hoth before it dumped. Keep an eye on volume bars, RSI, and level 2 before buying and or selling. How you want to put it? Video coming soon. So look at this. See that? It failed. It hit twice. Third time, see, I'm getting out of it. I hopped out of it, it hit it again and dumped. Be very careful of points. I drew this line way before I traded it. Because I saw the space it had between here and there. And it's all on video, of course, so you can verify what I said. It's on video. Look here, though. It banged it up, it hit it, pulled back, it hit it. Next candle, it hit it, it pulled back. I got out, and it pulled back. Right? Hey, listen. Happy New Year, everybody. It's the 4th, again, January 2021. It's 9:54 a.m. I made one trade in my small account. Only bought 140 shares. Oh, let me go backwards. Every year on the first trading day of the month, I take away all the money in my small account that's over X amount of dollars. I won't say the exact amount. But I will leave in whatever left less than $1,000. So this account, I think it has like $800 in it, something like that, or $900. So I take out everything to a number less than 1,000. So example, say the account had $35,940 into it. I take out 35,000, leave 942 bucks in there. Make sense? I hope so. Because my thing is, I want to always be sharp. I want to always keep gaining. This account here had $500 in it April last year, and I end up ending the year in this small account I'm doing videos in way above the PDT rule, which you know is 25,000 bucks. Look at that. It's crap. With that being said, one trade away. Again, this is how I trade. I am not telling you what to do with your hard-earned money, but if you notice everything I say to you guys day by day in the group, I call out almost every point to the T. So no one can say I don't tell you what I'm doing. I give you example. I give you stocks. I give you everything you want to look at. At least from my standpoint. You do what you do with your money. You make trades you want to trade. If you have input, give that input in there. I appreciate it. I like learning new things every day. Now you may say, damn Joe, you only made $6.31 today. That's crazy. That's not a lot of money. Yeah, it's not. But I only bought 140 shares. And the stock was like less than $1.50, I think it was, $1.49. Yeah. That's only $200 trade. What a lot of money. Every trade I make is scalable, right? Even if it had 1,000 shares, it'd be 1,140 shares. It'd be 630, it'd be 63.10, right? So it's your money. Trade what you want to trade. $6 green is better than negative 100 or negative $1 even, because that's a loss. Green is green. Red is terrible. I'm sorry, y'all. I had a moment. But look, the morning is still young. Nothing going well I like over here. Look at check. Check ran up, pulled back, reversing, pulling back. Look at this candle here. It's about to fade again. Y'all be safe. One trade away.